Probably take all the shellac off this and short it out or something. It's free. Sounds terrible though. Yeah, I flushed those bearings out with the brake cleaner. Flushed them pretty good and then blew them dry with air, and then they were still spinning, but they're kind of hard to turn once they got dry. So then I filled those bearings up with Tri-Flow. It's got Teflon in it. It's better than oil for this kind of thing, I think, because when it dries up a little bit, it still lubricates it. So I've been just putting that in there like this. Letting it soak in there. That bearing sounds good now. Just holding it up so it soaks in there. Runs inside. Okay, that's been setting for a few minutes and they still turn easy. This is the rough one. I'm just going to wipe up the extra Tri-Flow that's kind of running around in here. There, she's got to go on first. Kind of press fits on that bearing right there. Ooh. Went on right on fine with that Tri-Flow on there. See, here it's kind of noisy. But I don't think that's going to make a difference. That back on. If I can line up those holes. This one's got to go on. This is the bottom. It's kind of noisy. I think with the fan running, you're not going to hear that. Okay, so this went on this side. Spacer that was on there. It's not back on. Got the back black wire pulled back through. And you got these wires fed through the washer and the nut. And bolt this thing back on. This on here first. All right, that's back on. Washer, nut, tighten them up, tightens this on. All the wires are back through. Got to put this switch back in here. And the others, well, this has got to go in there, I guess. And this switch has got to go back in there. I get that set screw back in there. This on. Spacers in there. Still spins. Now I just have to match all the colors back up to each other. Okay, I've got all the wires connected in here. Just putting the cap on here. this back on. It spins now. Okay. There it is. Switch. Pull chain. Spins inside. And the blades attach onto here. There's blades that attach onto here, right here, on this. Hooks on a box in the ceiling. So it's hanging like this. And like that. Fast. Medium. Off. Reverse. There it goes the opposite way. And there it is, all done, back together. Nice and shiny and clean. And it even works. That's another project.